creators, what is up? I hope all of you are creating, making money, and staying on your grind, and most of all, learning. So let's get right into it. So I completed this order of 10 LV flower boxes, which I'm going to show you guys how I created these step by step on a budget so you could get your money in return. So let's get right into how I made these. Okay, so I get these purple foam flowers with the stems connected from Amazon. I will leave the link below. And then let's talk about these bling crystal rolls. One just dropped, but they all come in different sizes. And once you go to these crystal adhesive rolls, I am telling you guys, you will never go back. The link will also be below. And these 4x4 boxes I do get from Amazon, I believe in a pack of 50, and I'm going to show you guys how I cut the top off. And then here we go to our dry foam. The best price is at Hobby Lobby, so I do buy it, and I'm just gonna cut it straight on down the middle. Now let me show you guys how I cut these boxes. So I'm just going to take the top of the edge of the box, which is a deep crease, so it's hard to mix up. And I'm going to just come down. I am using my swing line that I got from Target. And look how nice it came out. It is very hard to mess up, guys. If you do slightly mess up, don't worry about it, because the crystals at the top of the box will cover your little slight imperfections. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do these to all the boxes. Some I have already assembled, as you've seen, but I'm just gonna go ahead and continue the process. You could do 1 to 2 boxes at a time. I recommend don't do no more than that, because then the blade can just shift off a little on the 3rd or 4th box. Believe me, I tried. And after I finish cutting all the boxes, I'm going to go ahead and put these together and assemble them. Let me move this out of the way. Now we're going to put together the bottom part of each box, which is easy because, like I said, it comes with the deep creases. So you're just going to fold along the crease lines and assemble each box accordingly. Easy peasy. And the reason why I started using these boxes was because I got an order for 150 flower boxes before and had to come up with a better alternative instead of buying the boxes separately, which are heavier and sturdier boxes. But hey, this worked out excellent and she loved them. So I'm going to take the foam, you guys, I'm going to cut it down the middle, and I'm going to take my hot glue gun and glue them down at the bottom of the box. And then we're going to talk about this ribbon. Now that I'm finished of gluing all the foam at the bottom, let's talk about how I do the flowers, and I'm speeding up the video. So look, so what I did was take one foam flower, stick it in there to measure it how I wanted it to sit in the box, and I used that one flower as my guide to cut all of these flowers before I stick them in a box. I'm cutting them all because how I ordered it, I know it's going to take up all the 10 boxes. So here we go. So now I'm just taking each foam rolls. I believe I use 6 or 7 per box, and as you can see, it looks nice and full. And I'm also taking the little green leaves and sticking them throughout the box to give the box more of a pop. And voila, I am done, and it is giving me pretty fluffy, and the pops of greenery are making it all come together. But what's really going to make it pop is decorating the front of our boxes, so why don't we do that? Now I'm going to take this ribbon that I got from Michaels that is 5/8. I already measured each ribbon out and measure them around the box so it could fit perfectly. I heat set at the end of each ribbon. Make sure to do so because you don't want raggedy ribbon hanging off your box because it will fray. So remember to heat set the end to seal it. Now we are going to heat set, but this is the finished box and it is so cute. I am loving how these came out. the colors and all. So I'm going to take my small mini heat press, and these are the crystals right here, but I'm going to put these on last, you guys. I'm going to do the ribbon first. And these just peel back and you stick them on. It's super sticky. You don't need to glue or anything. Trust me, you will love these. Now, these are the middle center pieces of the LV that I just did with some cardstock foil in the lilac cardstock. And I'm going to be using the Bearly Art glue to stick them on the box. Now, before I do that, I'm going to take each piece of the ribbon and I'm going to crease it down the middle so I could align the Louis Vuitton heat set that I use. And I used gold foil heat set for the Louis Vuitton so it could give it more of that pop. And I'm just going to sit it here like so. But for the rest of the heat setting process, I will speed up the video as I'm doing it so we could get to the end of this video and these boxes will be done and complete. And it's really easy to heat set ribbon. I don't set anything on top of it. I just use the clear piece so you could see everything. And here we go. So like I said, I speed up this process so you could see me putting together the boxes faster. And again, these are super easy. I don't cover it or anything. Just press on each one for a few seconds and we are done. Now, I did put adhesive tape on the back of each box, and that's how I had the ribbon stay. And then, like I said, I'm putting the crystal pieces on and then the LVs in the center, and I'm doing this process for each box. I found that instead of hot gluing the ribbon, it is more better to put the double-sided adhesive on the back of the boxes. And this is the finished look, you guys, and I love how everything came out. And this is the rest of her order and how I packaged it. She also ordered the lip balm favors, and the same color, and also some candy bars that I made for her. And this was for a 50th birthday party celebration she had with a few of her friends. So everything came out good. I love it. Hey creators, so go create and be great at what you do and keep learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I do sell these boxes in sets of 10 for $160. I do buy everything in bulk, which is listed below. So a profit off of just selling one set, you make $112 just from one set. You have so much material left over to make more. Okay, so you just spent $48 on everything that's listed below, and you can make 4 sets of 10 boxes. So that's 40 boxes that you're making with just spending $48. And guess what you will make for selling 4 sets of these boxes? You will make a total profit of $448, guys. So that is a win right there. You are coming up right there, and who knows how many sets of these boxes you creators will sell. I wish you nothing but the best. That is a easy come up, you guys, to create. So don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, everything is listed on the link below. So creators, go create.